the village of Taal again, and I've stopped at this place on the road where there appears to be this very sizable displacement in the land here. This huge uplift of, it looks like at least a foot, has come right along here and gone right across the road. This is quite incredible, just how much the ground has risen here. What I'm going to try and do is cross the road and have a look over there where you can get a better view of what's happened. There's a smaller crack here in the road which precedes the main fissure up here, and yeah, it runs over there across the road and then up through this wall and then beyond, and the volcano is in that direction. This crack runs straight towards Taal. Here's another crack across the road near Taal Volcano, but what's interesting about this one is when it goes off to the side, you can really see how clearly it just ripped open the surface here. And this is pretty wide, you know. Just put my foot there for comparison. That is a pretty hefty, sizable crack. I'm kind of off the beaten track here near the lake and driving along this pretty rural road, and here's another one of these huge cracks caused by the uplift of magma deep beneath the surface here. It's causing this kind of uplift, and it's just really ripping up these roads, and this is a really crazy thing to see. I'm trying to get to the Pansipit River, and it's proving to be quite difficult because the road I took yesterday to get in that general direction has been closed down by the police, which is obviously completely fair enough. And on this road, again, these big cracks opening up, and uplift has torn it up considerably, and there's no way I'm getting my car up here. You look over here, you can see the crack going through this property. That's crazy.